Now go see my mommy.
Look at you walking. Oh my goodness. Whoa. He looks like a little boy too now, eh? Like, he doesn't look like a baby anymore.
Where are you going? Come here.
We knows how to close this one. All of his laundry, like, just no clothes on.
Come
And even
here.
I went to change her, and I was thinking, I'm like, what's she gonna put on? Because really, I know she has no pants. And he found his leggings like in the bottom of the
She's
drawer.
saying,
I just did a load of his laundry, and I put a pair of pants in, another pair of pants, and then more pants, and I thought, how many pants does this kid have in the laundry?
Aww.